Hey, it's Roger here from TrueLook, and I am excited to share some big news. We just launched TrueAI PPE. It is our newest AI-powered safety feature. So on every job site, safety is a non-negotiable, but let's be real, manually monitoring for PPE compliance with walkthroughs or drones is only going to give you a snapshot of that moment. Well, TrueAI PPE changes that. It's going to provide continuous intelligence using AI to analyze images taken up to every minute of your project from your existing TrueLook cameras. So it's going to automatically detect when workers are missing required gear like hard hats and high visibility vests, helping you spot trends and address recurring issues without having to purchase new hardware or learn a new software platform. And we've got a special offer just for you. The exciting part of this is that from now until the end of the year, we're going to include TrueAI PPE at no extra cost with every advanced and premium subscription purchase. So here at TrueLook, we're glad that we can help teams create safer job sites, and it all starts with TrueAI PPE.